In this video, I will be showing you how to download and use the Goose Chase app that we will be using for our virtual summer enrichment this year at Boys and Girls Club. So first, you want to make sure you have a parent's or guardian's permission to first use a phone, and second, to download the app. Now you can go to straight from the App Store, or you can go to Safari, which is the internet browser, and type in Goose Chase. You go down, or if you have Android, you can go to the Google Play Store. I have an iPhone, so we use the App Store. So we go on Safari, type in Goose Chase, and we click on the App Store. And it'll pull it up right here, and yours will say Get. I already had it on my phone and deleted it, so it's on the cloud. So all I have to do is re-download it. So when your app is downloaded, it will have the open icon. You click there, and Goose Chase will open. What Goose Chase actually is an app that lets you create and participate in scavenger hunts. You can take pictures, videos, and complete tasks for points. The app even has a live leaderboard so that you can know where you stand in the game in real time. So you can sign up as a guest, or you can play with a new account. And if you already have an account, you can log in here. We're going to create a new account. Let me enter my things here. Or if you like, we can play this case. So once you sign up, it will take you to a screen, and it will ask you for a game code. Join a game, search for a game by name above, or enter your private game code below. So if you have a game code, you will enter it here. Keep in mind that every week you will have a new game code. So when you have that game code, you can type the game code right here in the box, and I'll do that. And then press submit, and then it should take you right to your game. You press select team and join game, and there will already be teams listed if someone created a team, or you can create your own team. So we're going to do that. My team name, I'm just going to put Miss Darian, because that's me. You can put whatever team name you want. And for the access code, it would already have generated that code. And make sure you write down that code so you don't forget it, and so that you can give it to your other teammates. So when you finish that, you're going to create your team. You can opt in or opt out for notifications. I personally don't want a notification, so I'm going to press not now. So then it'll take you to your game screen. We have Summer Challenge 1. Here's the name of our game. It says hang tight while we wait for the game to start. So whoever started the game will kick it off. All you are doing is joining the game. So nothing has changed here because I haven't started the game, only joined. So when the game starts, it will start here. And I'm guessing this refresh game state is, if something goes wrong in the game or refreshes, you can refresh it and you can stay up to date on the game. So let's explore some of the features in the app. Here we have the home button. So if we press home, it'll go to the main screen. It's asking if we want to enable the location. Depending on the game that you play, you will enable or press not now. We don't need that right now, so we're going to press not now. So this is your home screen. This is where all the games that you are participating in will show up. We have the search feature right here. You can search for a game in the search box, or like I said, if you have the game code, you can submit the game code here. This is your settings. or you can go through and change various settings. We don't need to do that here. When you are in your game, there's other settings down at the bottom. Missions, this is just where your games will be. This is the missions page. Feed, that is where you can communicate with your team. I have no feed activity, but if there was someone in the game that wanted to send a message or whatever, it would appear here. This is your rankings or your leaderboard. This is what tell you what position, what place you're in. Your notification screen is where your notifications will come in. Again, it has the refresh button, so you can see new notifications as they come up. And this is my team. That button shows all your stats about your team, the number of points you have, and the number of submissions you have in the game. And if you want to make a profile picture, that'll be right there, and then that's your name. And also, the settings reappear here. So again, if you want to, and this is your team settings, that's different from the app settings. The team settings, you can edit your team name, you can change your your access code, you can change the name of the game. This is the status of the game. Right now it hasn't been fully developed, so it's in draft mode. And it'll give you the starting date for the game when you start it as well. And the team members are listed here. Mine is under a guest account, so it just says guest member. If you, from the beginning, when you first open the app, if you created an account, then it will have your account name. But since I did not and I just put guest, it says guest member. And you can also exit the game here. You press leave game and it'll leave the game. I mentioned that you can change your profile picture on your profile under your team. So that's that icon. When you go to edit at the top, you can click this button with the blue pencil, and you can either take a photo or choose a photo from your library to be your profile picture. And once you select a photo, if that's what you want to do, we're going to pretend like I selected one. You're going to just press update and it'll save whatever changes that you made. So going back to the my join game page, under the settings, you can change the notification settings. You can change the submission settings. You can choose to save everything that you've taken in the Goose Chase app and save it to your phone. You can also go to this how to play, and it'll take you to Safari, to the game's website, and it'll have frequently asked questions about how to use the app. So you can scroll through that, read through that if you would like. You can also contact the app developers for troubleshooting, submit feedback, and all that other little boring stuff you'll probably never use here. You can also erase all the data in the app by by pressing reset app, or like I said from the beginning, when you first open the app. And if you did not create an account, you can do that here from the settings. So now you know all the ins and outs to the Goose Chase app. It is free in the App Store. I'm not sure about the Google Play Store, but most likely it should be free for Android as well. If you have any questions, please feel free to reference this video as well as the FAQ or the help section for the Goose Chase app.